Hey, what's up? Do you have an air purifier at home? If not, you should. The modern air purifiers eliminate dust, pollen, mold, bacteria, and other airborne particles. In this video, I want to tell you about TCL Breeva A1C. This is a new air purifier from the popular brand of smart TVs. However, TCL company also produces headphones, earbuds, smartphones, and other products. The new air purifier has 3-stage filtration system, including HEPA filter, 360 degrees intake, auto shield mode, and sleep mode. The price of this product on Amazon is only $89. You can find the link in description under the video. Okay, let's take a closer look at the new air purifier. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about the new videos. It seems that I received the air purifier from the German warehouse, because the inscriptions on the box are in German. However, we can see a TCL logo as well as the model name of the product, Breeva A1C. Inside the box we have an air purifier itself and user manual. That's all. By the way, a user manual is also in German, so it is not very useful for me. Do you know, guys, why the most air purifiers are white? I think this is because white color is associated with cleanliness and freshness. The body of TCL Breeva A1C is also white, only the top control panel are black. We can see many air take holes. As already said, this air purifier has 360 degrees intake, which provides the whole room circulation. And then there's built-in power cable on the back. The filter is located at the bottom. You just need to turn and pull this handle to remove a filter. TCL air purifier has a 3-stage filtration system. The first one is pre-filter, and it is collecting large debris in the air, such as hair and wool. The next filter is True HEPA H13. I think this is a main filter because it collects allergens, pollen, mold, and bacteria. The last filter is activated carbon. It is also important because it absorbs odor, cooking smell, and smoke. You know, a filter is really big, like the air purifier itself. The size of the filter is 140 by 190 by 190 mm. By the way, the manufacturer recommends to change it every 3-6 months. It is sold additionally on Amazon for $26. The dimensions of the whole air purifier are 360 by 220 by 220 mm. You know, this is the case when bigger is better, because the bigger air purifier, the more it will be able to clean the air. TCL Breeva A1C is perfect for room up to 210 square feet. The company says that it will take only 12 minutes to filter entire room. Okay, now let's take a look at the control panel and talk about functions of this air purifier. There are touch buttons on the air purifier, such as power, light, filter reset, child lock, speed, and timer. First, you need to power on the air purifier, and then you can press the other buttons. TCL Breeva A1C has 3 speed modes and a sleep mode. By the way, I want to check a noise level. As you can see, it is about 36 dB at the first speed, 41 dB at the second speed, 49 dB at the third speed, and 29 dB in the sleep mode. I think it is really quiet for such a big air purifier. Then we have a timer button. Using it, you can set a timer for 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours. There's also a child lock button on the air purifier. You need to press and hold it for 3 seconds to lock/unlock the panel controls. Finally, there is a light button on the control panel. There are only 2 modes, light on and light off. As already said, TCL Breeva A1C has auto shield mode. The air purifier automatically measures the air quality in your home and adjusts the fan speed. If the light is green, then you have a clean air at home and the speed level is low. When it is blue, then the air quality is moderate and speed level is second. Finally, if the light is red, then you have a bad air at home and the fan speed level is maximum. It is really smart air purifier. You know, TCL company has many different air purifiers, and there are cheaper models as well as more expensive. However, I think that TCL Breeva A1C is the best one because it has affordable price and good performance. In addition, I'm surprised by built-in air quality sensor and auto shield protection mode. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.